for are new insights. And when you see new insights in big data, it creates a couple differentiations. One is a customer experience differentiation. Great example is Google and Google Maps. If you use Google Maps, you get really excited because you think you can beat the system and find a faster route. But what would be really cool is if Google Maps was connected to your car and your car was connected to the net, and it knew that you're down to 2 gallons of gas. Well, it'd be nice. You might even pay $1 to figure out where the nearest gas station is. We could flip it around. As an advertiser, I might want to pay $500 to $1,000 to offer you a hot dog and a Coke when I know you're out of gas. That's the kind of stuff where you can create a brand new type of experience.
There's another interesting trend that's being observed as part and parcel of everything, which will accelerate this move from selling product to selling the outcome, is that we're beginning to see two generations of business owners that, let's call them the more traditional generation, that has a strong belief in owning, that will buy the machinery, that will buy the heavy equipment, and there will continue to be those, undoubtedly. But there's also a whole generation of business owners coming along that are saying, I don't want to own any of this stuff. I want to rent it when I need it. I want to use my equipment when I need it, so I want to be able to scale up and down. And that's forcing, again, companies into looking at different business models, but it's also enabling a whole new type of industry.
Need to be able to share information in a much more distributed manner. It should not require IT or analysts to get involved. This stuff should be more accessible to the tools and applications that companies are operating. Because if we don't do that and we continue to perpetuate the past of having all these staged processes and different IT involvement, we're not going to be able to be faster. If we're not faster, we're not going to be smarter in how we actually think about the use of the information for driving better business results or driving a better experience for everybody that's relating to that company.
So I think that a lot of the energy and focus is shifting to Internet of Things, the physical world, and I think that will dwarf the volume and importance of big data that we've seen in consumer. So essentially every product, every environment, every circumstance, if we start generating measurements on that, to me, that's what big data is really about. So if I'm a company that has equipment in the field, I now know exactly how it's being used, what's working, what's not, the weather, the circumstance, etc. So I know about how my customer is using my product. I know about how my product is performing. As a result, I can anticipate product design. I can anticipate maintenance. Essentially, if you just turn on a really high resolution lens on your world, your business, your activity, and we're able to grab all those measurements, it's great to know more about what you do.